Hey, physics class. Happy second day of online learning. I've got a physics classroom activity planned for you. Sorry, Jaden, I know you don't love these. I think maybe Andrew also. But I'm doing it anyways to remind us of what we've been working with before we went on break, and then possibly before we got stir crazy by being kept in our house the whole time. Let me show you what I've got planned. A little bit of review. It might not hurt to take some notes because I know we don't have our binders. So let me walk through this. First of all, that glorious equation of top force net or net force equals mass times acceleration. If you remember, that's essentially the summary of Newton's second law. There's this concept of balanced and unbalanced forces, and that relates with our free body diagrams. Your activity today is going to be working with some free body diagrams and a description, and it's going to describe a change. So you're going to have to find or identify the right free body diagram to go with the change. Some questions I always ask myself when I see Newton's second law. If there is a net force, then what? Okay. If forces are balanced, then what? And if there's acceleration, right, let me get that. Acceleration, then what do we have? My hope is that you will be able to answer those questions. If not, come to me during office hours tomorrow or Thursday or Friday, and that's 1 o'clock your time to 3 o'clock your time. So let's get to change of state. I'm going to launch the concept builder. You've got a link in your homework assignment. I've assigned it for Friday. You don't have to have it done until Friday, so no big deal. Or you can get to it right away. Just get her done, get into this mode. I think I described it master level, wizard level. Master only has 6. If you do 6, you get 10 out of 10. If you do the wizard level, you get 15 out of 10. So guess where I'm going? Bam! Wizard level, because you know this already. I'm a wizard. First, be sure that you are reading this description up here. If you don't read it, you're never going to get the right answer. It says the disk is moving rightward in a constant speed across a no friction air table. Force diagram is shown. What will the force diagram look like if the air is turned off and the rightward moving disk is in a state of slowing down? So I've got the current state, right? No friction, no applied force. I have a force air and a force of gravity, right? No normal force, correct? Until, right, it touches a surface. So right now, I look at this and I go, there's no applied force. No one's pushing that puck. It's just in motion already. There is some friction to the left, which would be slowing it down, but those are balanced. Doesn't work. Normal, gravity. But if it's slowing down, there's acceleration, so I have to have unbalanced forces horizontally. Force normal, again, force applied doesn't go there. It's not just gravity. I've got force normal. It's on a table. Force normal, force gravity, force friction, choice 5 of 5. That's my last option. I could toggle again. Rightward moving, but slowing down. So the friction, the net force is opposing its motion, so it should be slowing down. So velocity to the right, net force or acceleration to the left means it's slowing down. And so I'm just going to toggle through 2, 3, 4, 5. That's going to be my one. Here's to hoping. Done. That away, wizard. So I'll let you guys work through that. Again, not due until Friday, but you can work on it Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, and then I'll grade it. Hope you're finding activities keep you sane. Making sure that you've got a good pattern to your life. You're not doing too much stuff to just pass the time. It's a really good time to embrace it, do something different, take some time to not distract yourself. I had to do that today because my mind was kind of spinning. So I had to go on a walk and get away from my phone, away from the TV. So that's all. Hope you're well. That's my line. And I hope I get to see you later in person, but maybe even during conference hours or office hours from 1 to 3, I get to see you via the video. Have a good night or have a good day.